If I had to rate the Blair House on a scale of 1 to 10, it would probably be a 13 because they are off the scale.
Oh, a 10, definitely.
I would give them a 10 rating any day.
10.
A 20. No, 120.
I would probably have to say a 10. I've been to several and none of them measure up at all. I mean, it's nice, everybody's friendly. I mean, they know me by first name and she's only been here 2 weeks.
I think everything they do is with a spirit of excellence, and that I really like.
The minute I walked through the door, I fell in love with the people at the front desk and with Robin, and they and the staff have just made us feel so welcome and warm, almost a homey feeling.
It was kind of hard having to move her because we didn't want to. But she'd been sick, and the doctors basically said we had to. And she took time out of her Saturday and her Sunday to make sure that everything was ready for her to come.
Just the part that they're real calm about anything that happens, and they tell me what's going on, and it's going to be okay. We're going to take care of it.
The medical team is excellent. They call me and let me know what they're doing or where they're taking her. If something happened, they right on it.
Well, we have excellent food here.
I'm a thin person, but I clean my plate just about every time we eat.
He's just a wonderful chef.
I've never been in another place except this, but I can't imagine any place being any better.
I'm very glad we made the decision to put my mother here. She's happy, so that makes me happy.
If you got a family member in need somewhere to take them, Blair House is #1.
When you come to a place like this that can give you peace and satisfaction and relief, you can't rate that. You can't put into words or on a scale how they can make you feel as far as feeling normal, as much as you can feel normal. And for what they have done for my dad, as far as his well-being and his peace of mind, that's why I say they're off the scale, because you can't rate that.
Blair House in your living. Looks like home, feels like family.